Hello class, this is Professor Ragosa, just wanting to welcome you to Module 6. This week our focus is going to be on reading and what are those reading strategies that work well for us. You'll be learning different strategies that you can use, that maybe you can use presently or maybe things that you may be able to use in the future. So this lesson for the module will be on reading. I wanted to take you to a couple of items here below. I want to remind you you've got your Learn Smart activity. So that is your Learn Smart 6.1. But I wanted to bring you to the discussion question for this week and help you to ensure that you're answering the prompt for the week. I'm really trying to provide support for you to help you ensure that you get all the points possible in following the directions for our discussion prompts. So this week, the first question is, what strategies from your textbook reading will you use to retain information so that you can actively apply in both in the present and in the future? Okay? So what strategies from the textbook can you use? Second question is, will you implement different strategies based on the type of materials you are reading? Explain why or why not. So would you apply different strategies if you're reading a magazine versus a book versus a journal? Would you follow the same strategies for different type of material, or would they be the same? So the important piece here is explain why or why not. So you've got two questions for the discussion this week. Wanted just to point those out to you and help guide you in the right direction. But please remember, to get to the discussion question this week, you've got to complete your reading first. So I would suggest work on your reading and then you can participate in this week's discussion. Please remember they are due by Thursday at midnight. I know some of us are having a little difficulties with doing that, so let's try to get that done so we can participate and have a discussion with one another, and that's how we will learn more from this topic, is by being able to post early and respond to each other. And the last piece is going to be revising your mission statement and begin working on Project 2. So in Module 5, we all provided feedback to one another on what we could do to improve our mission statement. And that was called a peer review activity, which is often done in academics. So I hope that you all take that information as positive feedback and use that to enhance your work. So you'll be able to take that information and revise your mission statement and begin looking and working towards the rest of your project 2 for Module 7. Now, if you have any questions or need any type of support, as always, please call me, please email me. Please let me know how I can support you. I will provide you with more information in the middle of the week on supporting your mission and your project 2. Thank you and have a great week.